Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Next, click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then, click on the gear icon next to your name and open the settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. And then click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Finally, make sure the toggle is set to On. Tap on this and then make sure it's turned on, because if it's off, like it says here, secure storage will be turned off on all devices. When your device's storage runs low, messages older than 90 days may be deleted. So, if your messages have been older than 90 days, it's going to be deleted permanently. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.